Here we have taken let density of body as equals to rho, and density of liquid is rho L. It's clear. So if rho is greater than rho L, body will sink and settle down on bottom of vessel. It will be settled on the bottom of vessel. If rho is less than rho L, then what will happen? Body will float with partially immersed. What will be the apparent weight? Apparent weight will be equal to apparent weight of body will be equal to 0. Weight of body inside liquid equals to 0. And if rho equals to rho L, then what will happen? Body will float with fully immersed. Body will float with fully immersed. It's clear. And here also apparent weight will be 0. Will be 0. It's clear. So now we will do the questions. हम लोग questions करेंगे. So first we will do the numerical one. ध्यान देना. इधर आ जाओ यहाँ. तू लेके आओ. Numerical one. ले आओ. अंदर से ले आओ. क्या हो रहा है? Now see here, exercise 5A. इधर आओ. Exercise 5A. Question number 1. a body of volume 100 centimeter cube. So first you write down everything. Volume equals to 100 centimeter cube. How? And weight 5 kgf in air. Weight in air, WA means weight in air. Weight in air. It is equal to 5 kgf. Now, if weight in air is 5 kgf, then what will be mass? If weight is given 5 kgf, then what will be the mass? Mass will be equal to 5 kg. Suppose weight is 10 kgf, then what will be mass? 10 kg. Weight is 20 kgf, what will be mass? 20 kg.
20 kg.
If weight is 7 kgf, what will be mass?
7 kg.
7 kg. So see here, weight in air is given 5 kg. It is completely immersed in a liquid of density rho L 1.8 into 10 to the power 3 kg per meter cube. First part you have to find upthrust. Upthrust. And in the second part, you have to calculate weight of body in liquid. Weight of body in liquid. So see here volume is given in centimeter cube. You can see here. How will you convert in meter cube? So you multiply with 10 to the power minus 6 meter cube. It's clear? Now here 100 means 10 to the power 2 into 10 to the power minus 6. That is 10 to the power minus 4 meter cube. This will be the one. 10 to the power minus 4 meter cube will be the volume. Now, what is the formula of upthrust? So, as you know that upthrust equals to V into rho into G. Now, see here this rho is what? This is the density of liquid. Upthrust, in upthrust formula, this is the volume of immersed part multiplied by density of liquid into acceleration due to gravity. Into acceleration due to gravity. What is the value of G? (9.8 meter per second square). It's clear? So see here, what is V? V is the volume of immersed part. Immersed part. So you can see here in the question it is stated it is completely immersed. It is completely immersed means what will be? It will be 10 to the power minus 4. 10 to the power minus 4 meter cube. H body is completely immersed. Is clear? So what will be upthrust? Volume of immersed part 10 to the power minus 4. Density of liquid, rho is what? Rho L. Is clear that you can write rho L. Rho L is 1.8 into 10 to the power 3. Now all of you pay attention. When you will substitute value of G here, answer will come in Newton. जब हम G की वैल्यू यहां रखेंगे तो आंसर किसमें आएगा? न्यूटन में आएगा. और अगर G को हटा दें then answer will come in kilogram force. Answer will come in kilogram force. So see here we will not put the value of G, and here in next step you write down 1.8 10 power minus 4 10 power 3. So what will be minus 4 plus 3, and in place of G you write down kgf. Why we have taken kgf? Why we have taken kgf? Because everything is in the SI unit. So in SI unit, what is the unit of mass? It is kilogram. Suppose ये सेंटीमीटर क्यूब में होता, ये भी सेंटीमीटर क्यूब में होता, तब हमारा आंसर किस में आ जाता? ग्राम फोर्स में. Then it will come into gram force. It's clear? So here it will be equal to 1.8 into 10 to the power minus 1 kgf. That is 0.18 kgf. This is the upthrust.
सर
Upthrust
सर
equal
ये जी
to
क्या है इसमें फॉर्मूले में?
G नहीं मालूम है. G is acceleration due to gravity. Previous chapters में पढ़ा नहीं है. G is acceleration due to gravity. So if you don't keep the value of G, then answer will come in kilogram force. So upthrust is this much. It is clear? Now you have to find weight. Weight of body in liquid. So weight of body in liquid. This will be, you can see here upthrust is less and weight is more. Upthrust is less and weight is more. So it will be W minus FB. It's clear? Upthrust is FB. So what is W? 5 minus 0.18. So when you will subtract 4.82 kgf. This is clear? Now see here, suppose upthrust comes out 6 kgf. Agar upthrust 6 kgf आए, then what will be the weight of body? Then it will become 0. Why it will become 0? Because now upthrust is more and weight is less. Weight is only 5, upthrust is 6 kgf. So apparent weight will become 0. It's clear? Apparent weight will become 0. This thing is clear? समझ में आया?
Yes sir.
Now see here question number 2. Question number 2 you can see. A body weighs 450 gram force in air. Means in air, what is weight? 450 gram force. Means what will be the mass of body in air? 450 gram. It will be 450 gram. And 310 gram force when completely immersed in water. Means WW is 310 gram force. It is clear? You have to find the volume of body. हमको क्या निकालना है? Volume of body निकालना है. So you can see here what will be the volume of body. So first you find out loss in weight and what is the density of water. अगर density of water नहीं दी रहती है, so density of water is taken. Density of water is always 1 gram per centimeter cube. It's clear? If it is not given, it will be taken as 1 gram per centimeter cube. It's clear? Now loss in weight. So you can see here, in the air weight is this much, in the water it is this much. So what will be the loss? 450 minus 310. That is equals to 140 gram force. Now what is the formula of loss in weight? It is V into rho L into G. It's clear? So since it is in gram force, so it will be 140 V. What is density of water? Liquid is this, so it is 1. No need to keep the value of G because here it is in gram force. So what will be V? V will be 140 centimeter cube. Therefore, volume of body, because this is the volume of immersed portion. So volume of body equals to volume of immersed portion. It is clear? And volume of immersed portion, we know that it is 140, so 140 centimeter cube. And why both are equal here? Why volume of body is equal to volume of immersed portion? Because body is completely immersed in water. So you write down as body is completely immersed. Completely immersed. Body completely immersed. Then loss in weight already you have found. Second part is loss in weight. सबने अपनी बुक ओपन रखी है. Loss in weight. That is 140 gram force. Then upthrust. What will be upthrust? So as we know that upthrust equals to loss in weight. Upthrust equals to loss in weight. So it is 140 gram force. Now all of you see this thing. Whether it is clear? ये चीज समझ में आ गई?
Yes, sir.
Now see here. State the assumption made in part 1. So what assumption? Assumption we have made this. Density of water is this. Assumption. Assumption मतलब the thing which we have assumed. जो चीज हमने assume की है. Now see the question number 3. You are provided with a hollow iron ball A of volume 15 centimeter. This is a hollow iron ball. What is volume? 15 centimeter cube. And mass is given 12 gram. And another, and a solid iron ball. There is a ball B which is solid. Iron ball. It's clear? Of mass 12 gram. It's clear? Now see here, one is hollow, other is solid. So which one will have more volume? एक hollow है और दूसरी solid है. दोनों आयरन की हैं. तो बताओ वॉल्यूम किसका अधिक होगा?
B. Solid iron ball.
Tell loudly.
सब बी।
सॉलिड
B.
आयरन बॉल का वॉल्यूम अधिक होगा। बी
यस सर।
गलत, उसका वॉल्यूम कम होगा। दोनों आयरन की बनी है, दोनों के मास बराबर हैं, तो क्या है, हालो वाले का वॉल्यूम अधिक होगा, सॉलिड वाला तो क्या है, पूरा आयरन से फिल है, तो वो क्या होगा, वॉल्यूम लेस होगा। ये ऐसे ही पता है ना। सो both are placed on the surface of water containing a large tub. Find the upthrust on each ball. हमको हर एक बॉल में क्या निकालना है, अपथ्रस्ट निकालना है। इट्स क्लियर। Then you have to find which ball will sink. Give region for your answer. Density of iron is given. Density of iron. Rho equals to how much? 8 gram per centimeter. अब यहाँ पर सब CGS सिस्टम में है, ऐसा दे, and it is placed in which liquid? Water. Density of water, rho L, that is equals to 1 gram per centimeter cube. So see here, for the ball A, here it is given that both are placed on the surface of water containing large tub. Find the upthrust on each. So for the ball A, upthrust equals to V into rho L into G. So V is how much? 15. What is rho L? Density is 1. G की वैल्यू हम रखेंगे नहीं, आंसर किसमें लिखेंगे? ग्राम फोर्स और केजी किलोग्राम फोर्स। Answer you will write in gram force or kilogram force. बोलो। Gram force. Why? Because it is in CGS system. So 15 gram force. Now for ball B, you find out the volume. So what is volume? Equals to mass upon density. So mass is 12 and density is 8. Iron की density कितनी है? 8 है. Is clear? So it will be equal to 1.5 and answer will come in centimeter cube. It will come in centimeter cube. Therefore, upthrust upthrust will be equal to what? What will be upthrust? It will be equal to V into rho L into G. Now V is how much? Rho L is density of water is 1. Itne gram force. That is 1.5 gram force. Now you have to write which ball will sink. So see here, this is the answer of first part. What is the weight of both the balls? So both are having the same mass, 12 gram, 12 gram. Therefore, their weight will be same. So weight of each ball equals to 12 gram force. Now see here, which ball will sink and which will float. So you can see here, for ball A, what is weight? Weight is 12 gram force. What is upthrust? How much is the upthrust for the ball A? What will happen? Weight is less, upthrust is more. It will sink or it will float. फ्लोट कैसे फ्लोट करेगा? कंप्लीटली इमर्ज्ड और पार्शली इमर्ज्ड? Partially immersed, because weight is less and upthrust is more, therefore it will float with partly immersed. Therefore, since weight is less than upthrust, therefore floats with partially immersed. Floats with partially immersed. It's clear? Now you can see here for ball B. For the ball B. It's clear? So you can see here weight equals to 12 kgf, not 12 kgf, 12 gf, 12 gram force. And what is upthrust? It is only 1.5 gram force. You can see here. Upthrust is how much? 1.5 gram force. It's clear? So now Anand, what will happen? It will float or it will sink? Anand.
Yes, sir. Sir, it will
Ball B will
float.
it will float or it will sink?
Sir, float.
Why?
No, sir, sink because the weight is more than.
Yeah.
सर इसका वेट ज्यादा है तो नीचे चला
Weight is
जाएगा.
more, upthrust is less, therefore it will sink.
Yes,
As
sir.
W is more than FB, therefore
It will sink.
sink. It's clear?
Yes, sir.
ये sink कर जाए. आ गया?
Yes, sir.
Now see the question number 4. Question number 4. A solid of density, this density of solid is it is 5,000 kg per meter cube. It is in SI unit or in CGS unit. This density is given in SI unit or in CGS.
SI
It is
unit.
in SI unit. Weight 0.5 kgf in air. Its weight in air is 0.5 kgf. So what will be its mass?
Its mass will be 0.5 kg.
Means its mass will be 0.5 kg. It's clear? It is completely immersed in water of density this. Water की density 1000 kg per meter cube. In kg per meter cube, density of water is this. You have to find the apparent weight. Apparent weight of body in water. So see here, what is the apparent weight? W minus FB. So W is known, the weight in air minus upthrust. Weight in air minus upthrust. So first you find upthrust. पर upthrust के लिए हमको इसका वॉल्यूम पता होना चाहिए. So how will you find volume? Mass upon density. It's clear? So volume of body. Body. Mass upon density. Mass is how much? 0.5. Density is 5,000. So see here, how will you simplify? You can see here 0.5 को हमने क्या लिख लिया 5 upon 10 into 5000, that is equals to 5 upon 5, 1 2 3 3 0, ये one more this, so it will be 1 upon 1 0 0 0 0, that is 1 upon 10 की power 4, means ऊपर जाएगा 10 की power -4. And what will be the unit of volume? Meter cube. It will be meter cube. It is clear? Volume is this much. So volume of immersed portion. Therefore, volume of immersed portion. So as we know that volume of immersed portion equals to volume of body. That is equals to 10 to the power -4 meter cube. This thing is clear? Volume of immersed portion equals to volume of body. And why? क्यों ऐसा होगा? Because the body is completely immersed. As body is completely immersed. So what will be upthrust? Now you find out. You can find the upthrust. Upthrust equals to V into rho L into G. So V is 10 to the power -4. Density of water is given 1000. It is given how much? 1000. This kg force, kilogram force. We will not keep the value of G. Straightforward, right? Kilogram force. So it is 10 to the power -4 into 10 to the power 3 kilogram force. That is 10 to the power -1 kilogram force. That is 1 upon 10 kilogram force. That is 0.1 kilogram force. So what will be the apparent weight? Therefore, apparent weight, this I told, W minus FB. W is given 0.5 minus 0.1, that is 0.4 kgf. सब लोग डिस्कनेक्ट होके